officials, members of the Board of Trustees, college leadership, dedicated faculty and staff, members of the diplomatic corps, especially my second family, Charlotte, Sarah, and her right-hand man, Brad, from the Australian Embassy. Thanks guys for being here. Friends, family, and importantly, the graduates. I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge and honor the guardians of the land we are gathered here on stage. My respects to you all. It is truly an honor to be here with you all today to celebrate this special moment. I must admit, I'm feeling a bit of imposter syndrome because back in my days, speeches like this were reserved for distinguished figures. I still remember the day President John Hagedorn was the keynote speaker at my high school graduation. When I was first asked to speak today, I hesitated, doubting myself, but I was reminded that I was voted in by the governing class, so I'll do my very best for you all today. So you guys can listen to me, huh? Okay. Before I begin, I'd like to take a moment to honor my dear friend, Pearl of my old color, who many of you know. She's over there, the white armor. Pearl and I have been friends since the 5th grade, and she's one of the kindest, most caring people I know. Her warmth and positivity and contagious laughter shine through in everything she does, including her work as a professor here at the College of Meinisin. Her siblings Cheryl and Joseph share those wonderful qualities as well, which I know they inherited from their incredible father, Mr. Joe Kuchimai. Mr. Kuchimai was a joyful, home-oriented man who dedicated his life to his family and his college, leaving a lasting impact on all of us. We recently lost him, and I'd like to take a moment of silence to remember him, his wife, Mrs. Kuchimai, their children, Pearl, Cheryl, and Joseph, and the legacy he leaves behind. Thank you. This wasn't meant for me at that time. But don't be sad for me. There's a happy ending. And I have 3 beautiful children, Leia, Gaia, and Mama. Right now they're not here because they're out of school. They're having their Christmas party. We moved from coast to coast in the U.S. because of the first experience. Don't take that for granted. It's a big deal, guys. Bravo. But understanding that people adjust to this big change. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Choose your life partner carefully. A good partner supports your dreams, encourages your growth, and helps you become the best version of yourself. Learn on the budget. Think about life after retiring from the U.S. Coast Guard. He has been away from home since 1998. So long time ago. And as the years passed, he felt a strong pull to return home. One day he said to me, after I retire, I want us to move back home. I was like annoyed. I was like, I don't want to go back to Pohnpei. What's in Pohnpei? But he was determined. He said, we need to move back to spend time with our parents and families. The day after Tom's retirement, our little family was on a plane headed back to Pohnpei. At the time, I wasn't thrilled about the decision, but now, after many years of reflection, I can honestly say that Tom made the best choice for our family. So to the graduates here today, I encourage you to live out those big dreams you have. Aim high, chase your passions, and make your mark on the world. But also, be like my husband Tom. Remember where you Celebrate your achievements with joy, but please do so safely. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Love, Palanan, and thank you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Kathleen, Veronica, Tobin, Costa for that wonderful speech. Next on our program is a song by the C100% Choir, and the title of the song is Heal the World. Assistant President Dr. Cory Ono, and Vice President for Instructional Affairs, Mrs. Melina Ennis.
Good morning, respected faculty, proud parents, distinguished guests, members of the College's Board of Regents, especially Chairwoman Lynn Santen, our esteemed President and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Teresa Correa, the members of the senior leadership team, and most importantly, the graduating class of fall 2025. Recognition of academic distinction is a formal acknowledgement by an educational institution that a student has performed at an exceptional level. While the specific terms and criteria vary by school and country, these honors generally signify or signal consistent hard work and mastery of a subject. The first honors is the cum laude recognition. It is my privilege and honor to recognize the recipient of this award. The recognition is given to a student with a cumulative grade point average of 3.5 to 3.69. And the award is presented to Ms. Lorette K. Rosario. The second award is presented to the class valedictorian. It is again my privilege and honor to recognize the graduate with the highest cumulative grade point average among the graduating class of fall 2025, and the award is presented to Miss Alicia Josephine Witcher. Associate of Arts degree in Micronesia Studies. The third set of awards will be presented to two students. This semester, the college is awarding two recipients, and the salutatorian award is presented to a student who has achieved the second highest cumulative grade point average among the graduating class. I am honored to announce the first recipient, and this first recipient is Mr. Anno Jr. The second salutatory award will be presented to Miss Ariana Sheck, who stood before us so Miss Sheck will be graduating with an Associate of Science degree in Business Administration. The next set of awards will be presented to graduates with the highest cumulative grade point average in each program. These are students who have achieved at least a GPA of 3.5 or higher and have maintained full-time status. The first award is presented to Miss Lorette K. Rosario. We are also recognizing another award which is presented to Ms. Defralyn Leyaro from Yap Campus. And Ms. Leyaro is graduating from Yap Campus. The next award is presented to Ms. Thelma Callan. Ms. Thelma Callan will be graduating from the Associate of Science degree in Agriculture and Resource Management. We also have Ms. Maydell Ferdinand. Maydell Ferdinand will be receiving her Associate of Science degree in Computer Science Information. The next award is presented to Mr. Anno Jr. Rain, Associate of Science in Business Administration. The next one is Ariana Shedd, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration.
Your dad Anna is watching right here.
Please. The next recipient is presented to Ms. Anastasia Philip, who will be receiving her Associate of Science
Congrats,
degree in
Mr.
Agriculture,
Bon.
Tourism, and Management. Our next recipient is Ms. Shu Wilson Wabu, Associate of Arts in Liberal Arts. The next award is presented to Mrs. Tanya M. Tima, the daughter of the Professor Mike Tima. Ms. Tima will be receiving the special awards with her degree in Associate of Arts in Liberal Arts, Health Career Opportunity Program. Our next recipient is Ms. Josephine Alicia Josephine Witcher, Associate of Arts in Micronesian Studies. The next recipient is from Chu Campus, and we would like to recognize Ms. Faith R.K. Michael or Nico, Associate of Arts in Teacher Preparation Education. Our next recipient is Mr. Janelle Erapmay, Associate of Applied Science in Building Technology. From our CTEC campus, this award is presented to Mr. Chirodi Conrad, receiving a degree in Associate of Applied Science in Telecommunications. And the last one goes
Who's
to
Winora?
Senator Andy Chor, who will be receiving his certificate of achievement in trial counselors, YAP campus. Thank you and congratulations to the recipients of the award.
Thank you, Vice President-elect. Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to call upon our first valedictory address, Pohnpei, Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education, Mrs. Lorraine K. Rosario. Heavenly Father, President receive Ms. Lauren A. Rosario. The next valedictory address will be from Ms. Alicia Josephine Witcher.
Iyan mo kasalita na ito, ay tumas kakalatan ng o wow o kaping posapos kakukat sa matay po, pegas o saraw isoche. Sa kalatan wow, polo o pokang kakukat nakalat, dadamedang oras kan, nansya, government o momot. Tumaykatsin ng suraya, bayang kaping pacho 1, council na 81, sa kalatan ng pacho 1. Sorry about that, there. My utmost greetings, respect, and warmest welcome to the College of Martinica, faculty and staff, my fellow graduates, families and friends, honored guests, and everyone else present here. My name is Alicia Josephine Reyes Wichas, and I am honored to have this opportunity in delivering one of the valedictory speeches this morning. Before I get on with my speech, I would like to thank those who have made this very moment possible. I would like to thank our Heavenly Father, the Lord our Savior, and Mother Mary for giving me continual guidance throughout my journey here at the College of Martinica, especially during my tests, quizzes, and last-minute presentations. I'd also like to thank all my instructors who have put up with my persistent questions and late-night emails, including Mr. Jamar, Mr. Peter, Mr. Ringland, Mr. Albert, Mr. Elias, Mr. Petrosa, Mr. Yamada, Mr. Dima, and Miss Karen, my favorite advisor. And to all those I had not mentioned. I would also like to thank my peers who have helped me during my time to meet, and a big thank you to those who have provided me with free rides to this college very far, totally not wasting their gas on me. Lastly, thank you to my family for giving me continual support and motivation. Other than the wonderful and inspirational statements that were made by the valedictorian before me, I would also like to make a few statements of my own. When I first started my journey here at the College of Martinica, I was clueless. I wasn't sure what a semester was, what credits for, nor which building was which. But what I knew then was that I wanted to finish as soon as possible. I wasn't sure how I was going to. After all, I wasn't familiar with college at all. But I was set on this very goal. 1 year and a semester later, I could say that I did. This was accomplished through lots of discipline, annoying discipline, balance, hard work, and guidance of my peers and advisors. Because of all these mentioned, it has allowed me to move forward in my academic journey. This year's commencement ceremony theme is Innovate, Empower, Thrive. After my time here at the College of Martinica, it has granted me a wonderful first college experience, which I have learned a lot from, and it also granted me a time for change.
For the presentation of the candidates, may I call upon Vice President Melina Evans and Chairwoman of the College of Micronesia, Epasa Morris Region, Ms. Lee.
Bachelor of Science degrees in Business Administration with an emphasis in accounting. Bachelor of Science degrees in Elementary Education. Third year Certificate of Achievement in Teacher Preparation Elementary. Associate of Science degrees in Associate of Science in Agriculture and Natural Resource Management. Associate of Science in Computer Information Systems. Associate of Science in Business Administration. Associate of Science in Nursing. Associate of Science in Marine Science. Associate of Science in Hospitality and Tourism Management. Associate of Arts in Liberal Arts, Health Career Opportunity Program. Associate of Arts in Liberal Arts. The Math for Teachers, Science for Teachers, and Language Arts for Teachers. Upon completion of those 3 courses, they are also certified teachers in the FSM, which equates to the National Standardized Test for Teachers and Teacher Certification Exam. May I also ask students with the Associate of Applied Science in Building Technology degrees to please stand. Associate of Applied Science in Electronics Technology. Associate of Applied Science in Telecommunication Technology. Certificate of Achievement in Nursing Assistant. Certificate of Achievement in Agriculture and Food Technology. Certificate of Achievement in Trial Counselors Program. Certificate of Achievement in Bookkeeping. Certificate of Achievement in Construction Electricity. Certificate of Achievement in Electronic Engineering and Technology. Chairwoman Lynn Sundin, these candidates have been duly certified by the Office of the Registrar of the College of Micronesia FSM as having fulfilled all academic and institutional requirements for their respective baccalaureate degrees, 3rd-year Certificate of Achievement, Associate of Arts, Associate of Science, and Associate of Applied Science degrees, and Certificates of Achievement. They have further received the formal approval and endorsement of the faculty of the College of Micronesia FSM National Campus and the Career and Technical Education Center. Accordingly, in keeping with established academic traditions, it is my distinct honor to present and recommend these graduates to you for the conferral of their degrees and certificates. Upon the recommendation of the administrative leadership and teaching faculty of the College of Micronesia, Federated States of Micronesia, National Campus, and Career and Technical Education Center, and by the authority vested in me as the chairperson of the Board of Regents of the College of Micronesia FSM, I hereby confer upon each of you who has satisfactorily completed all prescribed requirements of the following degrees and certificates: Bachelor of Science, 3rd-year Certificate of Achievement, Associate of Science, Associate of Arts, Associate of Applied Science, and Certificate of Achievement, for which you are listed in the commencement program, together with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities attached thereto. Congratulations.
Please remain standing. For the acceptance of the graduates, may I call upon the Acting Secretary of the Department of Education of the Federated States of Micronesia, the Honorable Arthur Albert.
Madam President, distinguished guests, families, graduates, Casileria Manco. On behalf of His Excellency Wesley W. Simina, President of the Federated States of Micronesia, and the Honorable Gardenia Isaac, Secretary of the Edison Department of Education, Federated States of Micronesia, and by virtue of the authority vested in me as the acting Secretary of the Department of Education, I formally acknowledge and accept these graduates of the College of Micronesia, Federated States of Micronesia. Your successful completion of rigorous academic and professional programs reflects your diligence, perseverance, and commitment to excellence. Today, you are recognized not only for your academic achievement, but also for your readiness to contribute to the educational, social, and environment and economic development of this nation. The Federated States of Micronesia welcomes you as educated citizens and emerging professionals prepared to serve our community with integrity, competence, and purpose. And of course, if you go out there, always come back to hear what she says. We commend you on this significant milestone and extend our congratulations to the classes of summer and fall 2025. Congratulations, and may you have a blessed Merry Christmas and advance happy New Year.
Let's give them another big round of applause. And now, this is the moment that we all have been waiting for. But before we do that, I'd like to pay our respect to one of our students. Today, the College of Micronesia Muslim community pauses to lovingly remember Kathleen Chani, a member of our graduating class, whose presence is deeply missed. May I now call upon Dean of Career and Technical Education Center, Ms. Phyllis Sylvanus, for the reading of the roster. Jaylene David, Associate of Science degree in Agriculture and Natural Resource Management from Pohnpei.
Shirley Ann Abraham, Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Dr. Darren Woodbridge, Associate of Science degree in Agriculture and Natural Resource Management from Pohnpei.
Miriam Walker, Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Terry Clayton Holly, Associate of Science degree in Agriculture and Natural Resource Management from Pohnpei. Kristen Resource Management from Pohnpei.
Bachelor of Science degree in elementary education from Pohnpei.
Associate of Science degree in Agriculture and Natural Resource Management from Pohnpei.
Rosario, Bachelor of Science degree in elementary education, San Pohnpei.
Sieli Oliveira Irons, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei and Chur.
Bachelor of Science degree in elementary education, Macadamia in Pohnpei.
Mary Ann Isiel, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Jenbo, third year certificate of achievement in teacher preparation elementary from Pohnpei.
Alexis Mariano, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Third year certificate of achievement in teacher preparation elementary, Macadamia in Pohnpei.
Sumari Andrea, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Ariana Mentor, third year certificate of achievement in teacher preparation elementary from Pohnpei.
Kiola Johnny Silvados, Associate of Science degree in
Stella Perez, third year certificate of achievement in teacher preparation elementary from Macadamia in Pohnpei.
Garcia Collins, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Laura Pablo, third year certificate of achievement in teacher preparation elementary from Pohnpei.
Jessia Lawrence, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Benjamin Simon, third year certificate of achievement in teacher preparation elementary, Kichi, Pohnpei.
Tia Brown, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pashay.
Jerome Chen, third year certificate of achievement in teacher preparation elementary, Academy in Pohnpei.
Robert Philipon, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Lucy Phillips, Associate of Arts degree in pre-teacher preparation, Academy in Pohnpei.
Dorian Reyla, Meinisin, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Louisiana.
Caroline Rosario, Associate of Arts degree in pre-teacher preparation, Next, Pohnpei.
A salutatorian of the graduating class of fall 2025, Ariana Shea, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Leon Henry, Associate of Arts degree in pre-teacher preparation from Pohnpei.
Lenny Butler, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Lisa Praise Joseph, Associate of Arts degree in pre-teacher preparation from Pohnpei.
Lily Rose Stephen, Associate of Science degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei. Primo, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from our Pohnpei. Cheyenne John, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Teresa Year, Associate of Arts degree in pre-teacher preparation from CHUP.
Kendra Merman Adelian, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Brian Dwight. Brian Dwight, Associate of Arts degree in pre-teacher preparation from Pohnpei.
Jeremy Anthony Conrad, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Jalen G. Edgar, Associate of Arts degree in liberal arts from Pohnpei.
Ryan Osao Nakasone, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Drew Wilson Novo, Associate of Arts degree in
Amy Lee Nakasone, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Samantha Sanchez, Associate of Arts degree in liberal arts from Kitty Pohnpei.
Poon Anno Rain Junior Rain, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from CHUP.
Rachel Jonathan, Associate of Arts degree in liberal arts, Kitty Pohnpei.
Sarah Elma Riel, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from CHUP.
Marcela Torrelan, Associate of Arts degree in liberal arts from Kitty Pohnpei.
Deandra Dickinson Boyce, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from CHUP.
Associate of Arts, Amari Activate, Associate of Arts degree in liberal arts, Pohnpei.
Manuel Sylvanos, Associate of Science Degree in Business Administration from Pohnpei.
Clayton Jonathan, Associate of Arts degree in liberal arts from Pohnpei. Sandra Leigh Jones, Associate of Arts degree in liberal arts, Health Career Opportunity Program from CHUP.
Thomas Joy Jr., Associate of Science degree in Marine Science from Pohnpei.
Mary May David. Mary David. Associate of Arts degree in Liberal Arts and Health Career Opportunity Program from Pohnpei.
Sarah Laura Kali, Associate of Science degree in Marine Science from Pohnpei.
Sonia M. Dema, Associate of Ima. Associate of Arts degree in Liberal Arts, Health Career Opportunity Program, Med Pohnpei.
Devon J.B. Jacob, Associate of Science degree in Marine Science from Sabas, Pohnpei. Associate of Science degree in Nursing from Magdalene, Pohnpei.
Caroline David, Associate of Arts degree in Micronesia Studies from Fiji, Pohnpei.
Christina Poole, Associate of Science degree in Nursing from June.
Giovanna Gonzaga, Associate of Arts degree in Micronesia Studies, Magdalene, Pohnpei.
Irene Adelo Anguya, Associate of Science degree in Nursing from Pohnpei.
Spencer J. Associate of Arts degree in Micronesia Studies, Yakaranga.
Yulia Abeles Lucas, Associate of Science degree in Nursing from Sakawan, Rhode Island, June.
Sandra May Rapa.
Shinali Emily, Associate of Science degree in Nursing from Pohnpei.
Alicia Josephine Wickett. Associate of Studies from Med Pohnpei.
Hazel Ali Albert, Associate of Science degree in Nursing from Pohnpei. Josiane Arnold, Associate of Science degree in Nursing from Pohnpei.
Donald Rahman.
And I call upon Dr. Teresa for the tassel ceremony. Graduates, please rise.
We now come to one of the most meaningful moments in today's community societies, the turning of the tassel. Though simple in action, this symbolic tradition holds deep significance. It represents your official transition from student to graduate. Throughout your academic journey at the College of Meinisin FSM, you have overcome challenges, embraced growth, and demonstrated unwavering perseverance. Each step, every exam, every sleepless night, every success and setback has led you to this day. And now, as you prepare to move your tassel, you affirm what seemingly before you have discovered. The tassel was truly worth the hassle. By academic tradition, the tassel begins on the right side of the uniform. At the conclusion of this graduation ceremony, you will move it to the left, symbolizing successful completion of your studies and your readiness to embrace new opportunities, responsibilities, and pathways ahead. This will be your final official act. Official act that you perform as a student of the College of Meinisin FSM, and your very first as a graduate of the College of Meinisin FSM. So now, I invite all graduates to be right if you're able, and join me in this proud and time-honored tradition. On the count of three, we will turn our tassels from right to left. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, graduates. The tassel was truly worth the hassle. So go forward now with confidence, purpose, and pride. Congratulations.
Congratulations. May be seated. Then now call upon our instructional coordinator for Career and Technical Education Center for the Taylor session for the lecture.
Yeah, so the old racks. May God bless and guide you to embark on this new journey. May this wisdom inspire your mind, strength, hold your spirit, and this peace well in your heart. Go forward with confidence, purpose, and grace.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise for the reception.
team 2 now is leaving just to support our Turkish graduates. Just graduated today, December 19, 2025. Congratulations to our students from Chuk. And we are here with our commander, Servitri, and our coach, DJ, students. Until next time again. Okay. Okay, Kenzo Kalang.